this the future? This has to be the future. Because, oh, damn. It feels like I'm in a cinema right now. It's like you are in the device, essentially. So I recently got the Apple Vision Pros and I wanted to share the unboxing process with you all. Okay, let's do it. I feel like Apple always goes off on their like packaging, so it's like I'm always very excited to unbox Apple products because like they really don't play when it comes to the product. They really don't play. Cool. I'm actually very excited about the Vision Pro. Very, very excited. Oops. This can sit. Let's get it. What in the world? Oh, wow. Absolutely love this packaging. I think Apple ate with this packaging. They cooked, they did. I feel guilty actually opening it because the presentation is just so beautiful. Like, I haven't watched any unboxing video before, so I did not know what to expect here. Okay, let's just put this back. Let's take a moment of silence to just appreciate this. Let's just take a moment of silence to appreciate this. All right, how it looks. Side to side. Okay, yeah, lift off. Comes with a pouch because this looks very sensitive and it looks like it would take a lot of fingerprints. So it'd be nice to be able to like clean it out, the fingerprints out with this, and also just like protect the glass face. Because again, this is expensive. Okay, take this off. Okay. Interesting. This is how it looks on the inside. Oh, I see. We can take this part out. Oh, it's detachable. Interesting. All right. Okay, let me try to attach it back. It's pretty easy to attach back. I wonder why you'd want to do that. Maybe to wash this, because I reckon it might get dirty. This, and I like the fact that this color is gray, because like imagine you wear makeup, this would probably be stained. Side, snap it back on when it's charging. Woohoo! Oh, it's so dark in here. Oh, damn. It feels like I'm in a cinema right now. Oh, I can actually see from inside, which is really cool. I'm pressing this crown down here I think that's how most of the controls work. I'm actually curious. I'm using my phone right now to set things up. Okay, it's scanning my phone. I wish I can record this process because it's just very interesting. It's like I'm in the phone. It's trying to scan my hands, I guess. Okay, I'm back to the earth. It wants me to capture my face.
When you're ready, hold Apple Vision Pro at eye level.
Okay.
Slowly turn your head to the right. Now, slowly turn your head to the left.
Okay, I'm back on. I finished creating my persona. So when I FaceTime people, it's kind of like can see me and reproduce the me that the other person is going to be seeing. Okay, that's interesting, but it's currently creating the persona. I'm setting up my password currently. The password is set up. Okay, I had to go put on my smart glasses so I could film for TikTok and Instagram. I don't know what this is. I guess it's a manual. Okay, this lady, world famous. Just instructions, what's in the box. There's a battery, a USB-C cable, charging. Okay. The manual guide. What else is here? I think this is an extra dual loop band here. I'm just gonna close it for now. This is the battery. I'm not sure how it works yet. Charger. Charging. Okay. Light seal cushion. Guessing this is an extra cushion for the Vision Pro. Okay, charger here, charging here, and snap it to the side, snap it back on. I feel like I'm just gonna keep exploring this device. This just like, it feels very surreal actually. And like, you know, I don't like to be afraid of new technology. I always like to embrace new technology. So this is the whole world right here. It's not like your iPhone. It's different. It's like you are in the device essentially. So I'm gonna keep exploring. So stay tuned for my next videos because I'm going to be vlogging more with this and just like giving a more in-depth review. Right now was just me unboxing and like seeing what is actually in here, and I actually just got this on a whim. So and yeah, subscribe. Okay, Apple TV. Am I still recording? I don't even know. Am I still recording? I've been here for a long time, just immersing myself in this. This can actually get very addictive, to be honest. This is the craziest piece of technology I've ever seen in my life. And that's period. I don't know what to say, to be honest. What? Is this the future? This has to be the future. Because watching a movie in this thing is, the immersive movies are crazy. Like, it's like you are in the movie, essentially. Fuck. I'm so scared. What in the world? To be honest, I can't imagine watching a horror movie on this thing. It's just gonna be very sick. That's what's up.